Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. This was sent to me by Stanley. This is gifted to me and I want to do a quick review and show you all about this product. A Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler. This is the 40-ounce one, the big one, which is really nice. I love this color. Stanley makes a fantastic product. This holds 40 ounces, double-walled stainless steel tumbler for all day, hot or cold. It doesn't really matter. It'll keep your product either hot or cold all day. Let me just show you a little bit about the actual tumbler itself. It does come with a straw. Here is the straw here. Also, what's nice about this one here, that you can actually twist this and you can easily drink out of the actual tumbler itself. You can see that. Or you can lock it into place. Let me show you that. And use the straw. Now the straw does have a hole in it right here, and it has its all-around protection, so it won't leak. So anti-leaking, which is nice. So once you put the straw in there, it actually locks inside that cover. Let me show you inside here. So it stops it from leaking, which is really important. So you get the splashing. I mean, it's not waterproof, but watertight, but it'll help it from splashing, which is important. Or if you want to drink out of the tumbler, you just twist it, and you can see the opening large right here. Now inside the tumbler itself, it is stainless steel. As you can see, it does come with the instruction manual. Everything's in here, all the information. And I'm going to show you the inside of the tumbler. All stainless steel, double wall, like I said, for maximum amount of cooling and heating. It's got a nice large grip handle right here, as you can see, so it's really easy to grab. Easy to twist on the cap, just like that. Just got to get it lined up right, like that. And once you lock it down, that won't go anywhere. That is sealed. Then you just close this top up. Now that is sealed, as you can see here. Up here it says, so you get 11 hours of cold, 2 days of ice, which is nice, and 7 hours of hot. That's the specs on the actual tumbler itself. It's got a fantastic, it's called the FlowState 3-position lid. That's what it says here, 3-position. So, yeah, okay, so I didn't realize that too as well. So you got a lock. So you got 3 positions here. So you got a total lock, so it seals it. You got the open here, so you can drink out of the tumbler, and then you have the straw. So you get the 3-position lock, which is kind of cool. And I like the way this looks. It's got the little white lid on it. Really nice tumbler, very, very popular. Everyone loves the Stanley. Made out of metal, double wall installation, absolutely fantastic. Definitely highly recommend this if you're looking for a tumbler, and I love this color. Thanks for watching.